Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies in the microwave without brown sugar, only way. Mix 2 tablespoons melted butter with 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1/4 tsp vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Stir in 3 tablespoons flour and 2 tablespoons chocolate chips until dough forms. Press into a greased ramekin. Microwave on high for 45-60 seconds until set, cool briefly. Then enjoy warm cookies. Start by laying out every ingredient so you can work quickly and confidently at the microwave. I like to measure each tablespoon precisely so the texture stays consistent between batches. Granulated sugar stands in for brown sugar here, and a bit more butter adds the caramel-like note we miss. Keep chocolate chips slightly chilled so they hold shape while the cookie cooks and melts just enough for pockets of chocolate. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple time-saving recipes. Quick recommendation: I recently tried those comfy socks you might notice here, and they are a small luxury that actually lasts, perfect for standing while you bake. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Work quickly once ingredients are combined because microwave baking moves fast and you want just the right chew. After stirring, press the dough evenly into a greased ramekin so it cooks uniformly. Start with 45 seconds and add 15-second bursts if needed, watching the edges for firmness. Let the cookie rest for 1 to 2 minutes after cooking so it finishes setting, then loosen around the edges and transfer or eat warm from the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.